Typical, isn't it?
This is it, yeah.
Oh.
Have you, where's your battery on this?
It's other side down here.
Can you get to the terminals?
Yeah, not without taking the bodywork off.
I was going to say, I've got the dump pack in my bag.
Have you?
Yeah.
Right, we'll give it one more go. Ah, fuck off, come on, bastard.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's trouble is it will flood.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Alright. Ah, bollocks. How strong are you feeling?
Oh, no, we're alright.
Right, second gear, let's go. You ready? Go. Ready?
Go for it.
No. Oh. What
I'll do as far as you.
Say again?
Back it up all the way to the cone.
Yep.
We'll stick along that line.
Right.
There's plenty of run up that way. Are you alright?
Yeah, yeah. It's wearing 50 kilograms of leathers.
I know when I used to do the racing. Fucking hell. The best bike I ever had.
Oh, this is. Have you had one of these, then, have you?
I've had my old bike was the R1, Big Bang.
Oh, right.
It was stolen.
Oh, mate. Right. You ready?
Stay on the pavement, we'll head round and we'll go all the way round.
Second gear. Right. We'll go. No. Right, let's try.
You go for first or second?
Second, let's go. You ready?
Ready?
Go. You ready?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Keep going, keep going. Now!
Oh!
Fucking hell, it just locks up your wheel.
Yeah, it's just.
Try first.
It's massive compression on this.
Yeah, try first. Head back to the thing again, we'll try it again.
Right.
Lovely day for it though, isn't it?
Huh?
It'd be a lovely day for it.
Fuck. You got it. It might be in gear. It's not in gear, is it? Right, okay. Oh, you're a superstar, mate. Thank you. This is where my fitness level gets called into question, seriously. Well, that was freaking traumatic. I got it started eventually. I had like 3 blokes trying to push me. Eventually, with a massive bang, it started. It's just so rich, this map, if you don't get it going. Oh, I'm absolutely knackered now. I thought I was going to have to push it home. God for that.